Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LKCO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today, not necessarily because the price pulled back, but because the price just broke below both of these levels of support, which first thing before I really get to anything, let me just go ahead and get rid of a couple of these lines here. From a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion, all of that. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first big dynamic here that needs to be updated, and this is just coming from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And like I said, a shame that last 30 minutes the price actually broke down below that $1.85 mark. So that would now be considered an area of resistance moving forward, meaning if the price does try to consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that's where the first big question mark resides. It's not necessarily can the price get back up to $1.85, but more importantly, can the price break above it and stay up above it is going to be a key dynamic. So we want to watch that closely. If the price can do that, then the next level to watch would be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at right around that $2 mark. But like I said, you don't want to get too far out of yourself. You don't want to put too much focus on that 50-period moving average until the price can first, prove itself in the near term by at least being able to get back above that $1.85 mark. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned moving forward, first key level to watch now, which is relatively close, right around that $1.75 mark. And then if $1.75 can't quite hold up, the next key level of support at that point would be that pink line down there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200-period moving average, currently valued at $1.60. So those are going to be the main technical levels here headed into Friday. So let's see how this one decides to close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.